What's going on YouTube? Official Keith here. Today we have a watch face from the Szazs Design group. This one is called Active Sport. Now what I like about this one is that it's easy to read in the traditional Szazs way, and the fonts that are used are perfect, especially for this type of watch face. If you look on the outside of the watch face, you'll see the dot floating around. That's going to act as your seconds counter, as well as the flashing colon in the middle of the watch face. So all in all, this is an excellent design. The seconds are also shown on the right side there, and this is one of the watch faces that you should definitely have in your watch face collection. Some of the features include a 12 or 24 hour format based off of your phone settings. You get the full date, Samsung health status, your heart rate, floor counter, and with the floor counter, per the instructions, that's only available on the Galaxy Watch, the Gear S3, and the Gear Sport. The steps counter, burned calories, a battery bar with battery percentage, and your daily goal bar with steps percentage. So that's a lot of information that you have in the watch face without it being crammed. With the color change options, you have up to 14,000 color changes. Let's go ahead and go through some of those color changes right now. As always, thanks for taking some time out to watch my videos. If you like this video, smash that like button. If you subscribe to the channel, make sure you click on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Until next time, this is Official Keith. You're now official. We'll see you later.